All right, I'm going to put a problem on the board. When you know it, show me. Thumb on your chest when you got it. See lots of wheels spinning. Venus, what is it?
It's LB. So it's 42.
42. Show me if you agree. Okay. Lots of people agree. How'd you get it?
I knew that 6 times 6 equals 36 plus 6 more.
Ah, so she knew that 6 times 6 equaled 36. So she knew that fact. So then why did you add 6 more?
Because it's
Because it's 7 groups of 6 instead of 6 groups of 6. So she added 6 more and she got 42. Anybody else have that same strategy? Okay. A different strategy. Let's see. Okay.
I need 7 times 30
Okay.
is 21. Then I doubled it because it's actually 6 and 3 times 2 is 6.
So he doubled the 3. So then he had to double his answer. And he got 42. Awesome. Another strategy? Anybody else? Michael? You used money. How'd you use money? Okay. Where'd you get the 4 dimes and the 2 pennies? How does that help you with this problem? You're right, 4 dimes, because dime, 10, 20, 30, 40, and then penny. Penny would give me 42, but how I have to know, so that has to have some kind of a relationship to 7 times 6. Okay? So you're right, that equals 42, but we're trying to use these numbers with a relationship of some sort. Okay? Anybody else? Ever? You have a way?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I know that 6 times 6 is
Same one? Okay. How about wait, before I make a suggestion, let me, oh, Delilah, hold on. Go ahead.
I know that 5 times
There you
6
go.
equals 30.
Oh, okay. I was thinking you were going somewhere else. 5 times 6 is 30. Okay.
And that I think it was 6 times 7 is 7. And 5 times 6 I add 12.
So where'd you get the 12?
Because if you put 6 plus 2 6 together, it's 12.
Oh, awesome. Okay. So then you had 2 more 6s. Because it was actually 7. So 6 and 6. So another 6 and another 6. And you got 12. That's a great way. I didn't even think of that way. That's smart. I was trying. Is there another way with a 5 we could do? Ever, you got that? What?
I know that 5 times 7
There we go. Is what?
35.
Mm-hmm.
I just added 7 more and gave me 42.
Why'd you add 7 more?
Because it was actually 6 times 7.
Right, so it needs a whole other set of 7s. And he said that's 42. Awesome. Christopher, last one, then we're going to go on to a different problem. Louder. What is? 5 times 8? Another 5? Okay. Because 5s are easy to do. 5 times 8 equals 40. Okay. And you just added 2 more. Where'd you get those extra 2? How'd you know to, how did you know to add 2? That's a tricky connection. You're right, 5 times 8 is 40, and if you add 2 more. But those facts aren't that relationship is hard to make. Okay? You want one more, Venus?
Yes.
Okay.
I knew that 6 times 8 equals 50. And then
Not 50. You're right. You can do that fact. 6 times 8, but it's not 50. Think about this. If 5 times 8 is 40, 6 times 8 is going to be what? Add another 8 to 40. 48, okay.
And then I added 6.
Take it away, right?
I took away 6.
Okay, so then we're going to take away 6 and get 42 because that's too many groups of 6. So if we take away 1 6, you get it down to 7 6s, so then you have to take a whole set of 6 away and you get 42. All right, so keep this in our brain. Now let's try another one. Okay. When you have that one, show me with your thumb. Michaela?
49.
49. Who agrees? Okay. Michaela, how'd you get it?
6 and 7 is 42.
Awesome. 6 times 7 we just did, and we knew that we figured that was 42. So she added a whole nother 7 because it's actually 7 times 7 instead of 6 times 7, and she said that's 49. Great strategy, using those numbers we just used. Anybody have a different strategy? Let me see your thumbs if you have it. See lots of people think. Delilah?
I knew that 5 times 7
Is what?
is 35. And that is 7.
7 more would get me to 42 because that's 6 times 7. So I need to add how many more? Another 7. So really, I could have added what? 14. Kind of like the other problem you did where you know that you got to go 2 more 7s to get there. You have the same strategy, Venus? Okay. A different one? Okay.
I that 7 times 3 is 21.
Okay. So using that same fact you used the first time, weren't you? 7 times 3 is 21.
And I doubled it to 6.
Okay. So you doubled it again, and you got 42.
But I still got one more to the answer, so I added another 7.
So you had to add another group of 7. Okay. So you guys see what he did? He did that same thing he did before, but he still was short of the group of 7, so he just tacked that on at the end. Awesome. Yeah. Venus?
I knew that 7 times 8 equals 56.
Okay, 7 times 8 is 56.
And I just took away 7 and
She took away a group of 7 because it's not 7 times 8, it's 7 times 9. So she took away a group of 7, and she had to take that 7 off of the answer. Good. Anybody else? Delilah, you go another way? All right.
I did division problem.
Oh, you did a division problem. What did you do?
49 times
49 divided by?
7 equals 6.
Okay, so you just thought in your head, kind of like fact family, like 49 divided by 7. So like what? Okay, you just kind of went backwards. Is 7, so you just kind of check yourself. Okay. So you knew that 7 times 7 was 49 because you knew that 49 divided by 7 was 7. It's a great way to think about it because they're inverse relationships.